I came down and I saw you come up to the back of the truck, and I'm like, "Hey, what's up? Can I help you?" You're a friendly cat.
Oh yeah, he is.
Like a teddy bear, huggable. You're the man. You're the man.
He's not actually a cat. He's more of a bear.
Okay.
More of a bear.
Just so you know. How was that? Put him on your hood ornament when you're going to weird places, and he'll bring
I'm like
friendship.
the local whisperer.
Exactly.
Hey,
You're the local whisperer.
lost.
Oh, little old me. You're here.
Yep.
Make the most of it.
Yep.
Find the right way to do it.
Yep.
And then that creativity and all of the things that you guys are learning from each other inspires the shit out of me, just knowing you people.
Yeah.
So cheers to all of you.
Cheers to that.
Yeah.